Hi everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this Mistletoe Kisses sign. There's only 2 steps to this project. We're going to be stenciling and adding our vinyl, and then your sign will be ready to be hung up. Let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to start stenciling. You will put the stencil in one corner of the frame, and then you will tape down 1 or 2 of the edges of the stencil. Then with one hand you will kind of hold down the stencil just to make sure it doesn't move, and then you are going to take your brush and put a small amount of paint on the brush, and then you're going to apply paint to the top of the stencil. We are only going to be doing the edges, the edge snowflakes, because we want to kind of create another square within the frame that is going to be of snowflakes. So you will go around the 2 edges to help fill out the corner, let the paint dry, and then slowly peel up the stencil. You will then repeat all of those same steps that we just did, but you are going to make sure that you do that in each corner of the frame. Next, you are going to apply the vinyl to the sign. You're going to take your craft scraper and apply pressure to the top of the vinyl. You are then going to remove the top piece of paper, taking the vinyl with it. Then you will place the vinyl on the center of the sign. Once it is placed where you want it, you will then press down with your hands, and then take your craft scraper once again and apply pressure to the top of the vinyl. You will then slowly start peeling off that piece of paper. Make sure you do it slowly, not to peel the vinyl back up. If you need, you can always go back and apply more pressure using the craft scraper. Once your vinyl is adhered to the sign, your project is now ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.